I'm Jack Fusco, and I'm an astrophotographer. For years, I've been fascinated with the virtually endless sea of stars that hangs over our little planet. And I've traveled the globe searching for opportunities to share how incredible the skies above can be. Today, my journey brings me to the California desert. The skies are clear, the air is crisp, and the coffee is hot. A perfect night for capturing the stars. All I need now is the perfect lens. The SIGMA 14mm F1.4 DG DN art is exactly what a night like this calls for. With an ultra-wide angle of view of 14mm, this full-frame prime is an astrophotographer's dream lens. Designed exclusively for mirrorless cameras, this lens is built for professional use in rugged environments. With splash and dust-resistant construction from top to bottom, I can bring it anywhere my adventures take me. And when night falls and the stars come out, this lens reveals what makes it truly special. The 14mm focal length shows off the magnificent scale of the sky above, as well as unique, vast landscapes in the foreground. It's the perfect tool for creating expansive images that are far beyond the limits of what our eyes can see. This is also the world's first 14mm lens with an f1.4 aperture, which is huge for astrophotography, where every last drop of light is critical. Now, my images have less noise, exposures are faster, and stars are pinpoint perfect. Optical performance is outstanding, from the center all the way to the corners, even with the lens wide open. This lens is capable of capturing every last detail, edge to edge, with perfect clarity. And while many lenses give you good glass and a fast aperture, the SIGMA 14mm F1.4 DG DN art goes the extra mile, with features that astrophotographers in particular will really appreciate. The rear filter slot can be fitted with softening filters that can actually help make stars a little softer, a little bigger, without the distortion often caused by bulky, expensive front filters. The specially designed front lens cap grips tightly over the lens hood, and even has two convenient slots for storing the filters, which is really helpful in the field. One of my favorite features is the manual focus lock switch. No more tape or rubber bands. This switch locks focus precisely in place for long exposures and time-lapse sequences, even if the focus ring is moved accidentally. And to help keep your lens absolutely rock steady, the SIGMA 14mm includes a durable, removable tripod socket that can be attached to any Arca Swiss type tripod head. And when the weather takes a chilly turn, this lens even features a small ridge near the end of the lens to keep lens heaters from slipping off and ruining your shot. From the mount to the cap, the SIGMA 14mm F1.4 DG DN art is thoughtfully designed for astrophotography in every way possible. The sharpness, the speed, the quality of life features that consider the needs of astro shooters. It's a level of quality and care that doesn't just render great images, it provides peace of mind, allowing me to fully focus on capturing my vision. I began my night in the desert with a sense of wonder, and now a feeling of accomplishment. These images show more than just a band of stars stretched across the sky. They are our past, they are our future, they are a constant reminder of the incredible magnitude of the universe and our small place in it. And as I head to my next destination, I'll be sure to bring that perspective with me, along with the bare necessities: a warm hat, fresh coffee, and this amazing lens.